Hello grade 5 students and welcome to this English video lesson. Today we are going to study Module 10 Top Stars Part 2. Let's read our objective. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use will to make requests using this form. Will you help me? And make requests, my friends, means to ask somebody for help. So let's get started and see how to make requests using will. Open your books page 117, exercise number 4. Here we have 3 pictures. In each picture there is a person. You are going to listen to a short dialogue and see if this person will help his sister or brother. Like this girl, her name is Dolly. Her sister Gina is gonna ask her for help. Listen and tell if Dolly will help Gina or not. In case she will help, just put a tick here in this box. Ready? Go ahead.
1.
Dolly, I'm doing a jigsaw puzzle, but it's hard. Will you please help me?
I'm sorry, Gina, I can't. I'm studying geography and then I have to do an art project. Our cousin Lisa is very good at puzzles. You can ask her to help you.
Okay.
What do you think, my friends? Will Dolly help Gina or not? I guess I heard her saying, I'm sorry, I can't. Which means she will not help. Let me show you the script to make sure. Dolly says here, I'm sorry, Gina, I can't. So I am correct. Dolly refuses to help. So leave this box empty. Okay, next picture. You are going to listen to Harry and Ron and see if Ron will help his brother or not.
2.
Hey Ron, will you help me tidy my room, please?
I'm sorry, Harry, I can't. I have to do a science project for tomorrow.
Come on, it will only take 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Let's do it then.
Thanks.
What do you think? Will Ron help his brother or not? Excellent, he will help. Why? Let me show you. In the beginning he says, I'm sorry, I can't. But then Harry insists and says it will take only 10 minutes. That's why Ron agrees in the end and says, let's do it then. So we put a tick in this box. The third picture. Look at this girl. Her name is Diane, and her sister Lucy is going to ask her for help. Okay, let's see Diane's reply.
3.
Will you help me make some sandwiches, Diane? My friends are going to come round at 6 o'clock.
Of course I will. How many friends are going to come?
Rita, Jane, and Amy. That's 3.
Okay, let's start.
Thanks.
What do you think, my friends? Excellent. Diane will help her sister. She says, of course I will. So we tick this box too. Now, as we've heard, my friends, these 3 dialogues of people asking for help or making requests and how to reply either by agreeing or refusing politely. Let me show you the 3 dialogues again here to learn from these examples how to make a request and how to reply to it. Read these highlighted questions. These are how you make a request, my friends. You just say, will you help me? And use please to show respect. Did you notice something, my friends? This is the future will. Yes, the future will can be used in questions to make requests, as you see here. Let's move on to how to agree or refuse. Look at these replies. I'm sorry, Gina, I can't. I'm sorry, Harry, I can't. This is simply what you say when you refuse to help. And in case you agree to help, you can say, of course I will. Okay, let's review what we've learned now. To make requests, just say, will you help me? Then use the base form of the verb. And to show respect, or to make it more polite, use please right before the main verb, help, or in the end of the question. So you could say, will you please help me do my homework? Or, will you help me do my homework, please? This is the first part. The second part is how to reply. You could agree or refuse. If you agree, simply say, of course, I will. In case you refuse, just say, I'm sorry, I can. And note that words like please, of course, and sorry are used to show respect and make you more polite. Enough grammar talk. Let's practice. Open your workbooks, page 102, exercise 2. In this activity, we have 3 short dialogues. In each one, there are 2 persons. One makes a request or asks for help, and the other replies. All you need to do is make the question using the verb between brackets here. Then choose the correct reply that the picture expresses. Okay? The first one is answered. Let's read it. Tom asks, will you help me rake the leaves? Here he makes a request using the verb rake, which means collect the leaves, as you see in the picture here. And by looking at the other person, he looks like he doesn't want to help. That's why the answer is sorry, I can't. Now pause the video and try to complete the other 2 dialogues. Have you finished? Okay, check your answers with me. Here the mom asks and the son replies. And we need to use the verb carry. So, as we've learned, the question will be exactly, will you help me carry these bags? And by looking at the picture, it's clear that the boy agrees. He wants to help. So the answer is, of course, I will. Number 3. Deborah asks and Lily replies. And we need to use the verb plant. Here in the picture, there are 2 girls planting the tree. And they ask Lily for help. So the question here will be, will you help us plant this tree? And us here because there are 2 girls, okay, plural I mean. And Lily here looks busy, as you see guys, or she's late for school or something. That means she refuses. So the answer is, sorry, I can't. Okay, my friends, let's end up this lesson today with a speaking activity. Go back to your students' books, page 117, activity 5. Here we have some actions. You need to make requests using these actions and also mime the actions or act them out. Like this girl. She asks for help saying, will you please help me water the plants? And she acts out like she's watering the plants. Then the other friend replies 2 times. One time she agrees, of course I will. And the second time she refuses, I'm sorry, I can't. Let me do 1 or 2 examples with you. The first action is carry the shopping bags. So the request would be like this. Will you help me carry the shopping bags, please? And the answer is the same like here. Of course I will, or I'm sorry, I can't. The second action, make a pizza. So the request is, will you help me make a pizza, please? Then I say one of these replies. You too can play this game with your brothers and sisters. Use all these actions and be polite when you speak. Use please, of course, and sorry. Record your voice and share it with your class on Microsoft Teams. Now let's close our lesson with a writing activity. Go ahead and grab a pen and a piece of paper. Look at these 2 persons. They need help, my friends. Pause the video now and write the request that each one says. Now check your answers. Great, my friends. Now go to Microsoft Teams and do your daily assessment, Module 10, Top Stars 2. Don't forget to do it within 24 hours. Thank you for watching. Bye.